Why is my Google Pixel 6 not charging fast? If you are a Google Pixel 6 user, you may have noticed that your device is not charging as fast as it used to. This can be frustrating, especially if you are in a hurry and need to use your device as soon as possible. In this article, we will discuss the reasons why your Google Pixel 6 may not be charging fast. 1. Faulty charger. The first reason why your Google Pixel 6 may not be charging fast is due to a faulty charger. If you are using a charger that is damaged or has a loose connection, it may not be able to provide enough power to your device to charge it quickly. It is important to ensure that you are using the original charger that came with your device, as other chargers may not be compatible with your phone. Two. Background apps and features. Another reason why your Google Pixel 6 may not be charging fast is due to background apps and features. When you have several apps running in the background or have features such as Bluetooth, GPS, or Wi-Fi enabled, your device's battery drains faster than normal. This means that your device will take longer to charge as it is using more power than it is receiving. Three. Battery age and usage. The age and usage of your battery can also impact how fast your Google Pixel 6 charges. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge, meaning that they take longer to charge fully. If you notice that your device's battery is not holding a charge as it used to, it may be time to get the battery replaced. Four. Low power mode. Low power mode is a feature that is designed to conserve your device's battery life by limiting background features and reducing screen brightness. While this feature is useful for conserving battery life, it can also slow down the charging process. If you have low power mode enabled, it is recommended that you disable it when charging your device to speed up the charging process. Five. Background processes. Finally, your Google Pixel the 6th of May not be charging fast due to background processes. If your device is running an update, performing a backup, or syncing data, it will use more power than it is receiving. This means that the charging process will be slower than normal. To speed up the charging process, it is recommended that you close all apps and disable background processes until your device is fully charged. In conclusion, there are several reasons why your Google Pixel the 6th of May not be charging fast. These include a faulty charger, background apps and features, battery age and usage, low power mode, and background processes. By identifying the cause of the charging issue, you can take steps to address it and ensure that your device charges quickly and efficiently. For possible solutions to other issues with your phone's reset, you can post questions on our forums to the Pixel community. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphone/community/. Still have issues with your Pixel 6 phone? Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.